Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the door bin on your GE refrigerator. Now, this is a very easy repair to do. You don't require any special tools at all. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you're going to be looking at removing and reinstalling the door bin is generally just for cleaning purposes, but over time, through normal wear and tear, some of those bins may actually crack or break and you need to replace it for that reason. So of course, the first thing we want to do is open up our refrigerator door. And when looking to remove your door bin, of course you want to remove any product that's already on the bin. And once that's done, it's just a matter of taking hold of the bin itself on either side and lifting straight upwards. And you're good to go whether you want to clean it or replace it. Reinstallation is just as easy. You're just going to bring your bin into place, up high, and then just lower it down until it settles onto its little latches. Push it down, and now you just need to put your product back on, close the door, and you're good to go. It's just that easy to remove and replace the door bin on your GE refrigerator.